What if I told you your baking secrets are wrong? Today, we uncover the hidden truth about leavening agents. Baking soda and baking powder are kitchen staples, but their roles in your recipes are surprisingly distinct. Understanding their chemistry transforms your baking results. From fluffy cakes to perfectly chewy cookies, science matters. Let's compare these two powerhouses for kitchen mastery. First, meet baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate. It's a pure alkaline compound, a simple base. Baking soda needs an acid to activate its power. When combined, they produce carbon dioxide gas. This gas creates bubbles, making baked goods rise. Examples include buttermilk, yogurt, or lemon juice. Now, baking powder is a complete leavening package. It contains baking soda, an acid, and cornstarch. The cornstarch absorbs moisture, preventing early reactions. Most commercial baking powders are often double-acting. They react twice, first with liquid, then with heat. This provides a sustained rise, perfect for many recipes. Cream of tartar often serves as the acid component. Baking soda reacts instantly once combined with acid, so you must bake mixtures quickly after mixing. Otherwise, gas escapes, and your baked goods fall flat. Baking powder offers more flexibility due to its design. Its second reaction happens inside the hot oven. This means less rush from mixing to actual baking. Understanding this timing prevents many baking disasters. Using the correct agent impacts texture significantly. Baking soda creates a finer, more tender crumb. It also promotes browning and a distinct flavor profile. Think of classic chocolate chip cookies or brownies. Baking powder often yields a lighter, airier texture. This is ideal for fluffy pancakes or tall, delicate cakes. The choice drastically alters your final product. Beyond rise, these agents affect the pH of food. Baking soda, being alkaline, neutralizes acidic ingredients. This can reduce tartness in recipes like tomato soup cake. Too much baking soda leaves a soapy, metallic taste. Baking powder has a more neutral overall pH impact. It doesn't significantly alter the acidity of your dish. So baking soda needs acid. Baking powder is self-contained. Their unique chemistries dictate their baking applications. Choosing correctly ensures perfect rise, texture, and taste. Master this science and elevate all your culinary creations. Subscribe to explore more fascinating food science stories.